Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's informative video I will tell you how to see Instagram Reels history. Watch Reels history. So guys, if you want to see this, I will help you. So guys, subscribe my channel if you not subscribe my channel and new on my channel. So guys, first of all check that you are connected with strong internet connection. Now open your Instagram and click on your profile icon. Click on these three lines and click on your activity and here you can see the Reels option. This is not showing the Reels activity. Go back here and guys, you cannot see the Reels watch history, but the Reels you have liked you will show here. As you can see, the Reels I have liked will be shown here. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like the video. To subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.